Hello students, by this video let us study about Davison and Germer experiment. Davison and Germer established the wave nature of electrons. This is a setup of experiment conducted by Davison and Germer. The setup is placed in evacuated chamber. It consists of electron gun G, a nickel target, and electron detector that is capable of moving in a circular scale. The electron detector is connected to sensitive galvanometer to measure current. The electron gun G is used to produce a beam of electrons. The electron gun constitutes a tungsten filament F coated with barium oxide and can be heated with a low voltage power supply. Electrons are emitted by the filament and then they are accelerated at desired velocity by applying a suitable voltage from a high voltage power supply. The electrons thus emitted are passed through a cylinder with a pinhole along the axis, producing a fine collimated beam. This collimated beam is directed to fall on the surface of the nickel crystal. The electrons are scattered in various directions by the atoms of crystal. The intensity of electron beam scattered in a given direction is measured by the electron detector or movable collector. By moving the detector on circular scale of different position, the intensity of scattered electron beams is measured for different values of angles of scattering. Theta is the angle between the incident and the scattered electron beams. This experiment was performed by varying the accelerating voltage from 44 volt to 68 volt. It was noticed that a strong peak appeared in the intensity I of the scattered electron at an accelerating voltage of 54 volt and at a scattering angle theta is equal to 50 degree. The appearance of the peak in a particular direction is due to the constructive interference of electrons scattered from different layers of the regularly spaced atoms of the crystal. From electron diffraction measurements, the wavelength of matter waves was found to be 0.165 nanometer. We know that the de Broglie wavelength of electron is denoted by lambda is equal to h by p, where h is the Planck's constant and p is the momentum of electron. If the electron is accelerated from rest through a potential difference of V volt, then substituting the values of mass of the electron, charge of the electron and Planck's constant, the expression for the wavelength is obtained as 1.227 divided by square root of V nanometer. In this experiment, for the diffraction of electrons, the peak value of intensity was observed at 54 volt. On substituting this value in the equation and simplifying, we get the associated wavelength lambda is equal to 0.167 nanometer. This theoretical value is in agreement with experimentally obtained value of de Broglie wavelength for electrons. Davison and Germer experiment thus confirms the wave nature of electrons and the validity of de Broglie relation. De Broglie hypothesis has been the foundation of many advancement and application in recent times.